Welcome to Tourism Talks. Today we are going to discuss on SWOT analysis in tourism. Subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. What is SWOT analysis? Simply, SWOT analysis is a strategic planning technique, used to identify strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats related to business competition or planning. It is also called as SWOT matrix. SWOT analysis are basically used during preliminary stage of decision making, or as an evaluation of strategic position of an organization. SWOT analysis in tourism. The 4 phases: analyze following matters of any tourism destination or organization. 1. Strengths. Strength analysis is all about to understand what are the unique features about the destination or organization. What do you do well? 2. Weakness. It is based on what are the existing challenges or incompetency faced by the destination or organization. What do you need to improve? 3. Opportunities. What are the new markets or products that can capitalize? What are your goals? And 4. Threats. It is all about analyzing the obstacles faced by the destination or organization. Strengths. The major strengths of Indian tourism are: attractive places, comfortable weather or geographical conditions, existing tourism market, good transportation and infrastructure facilities in cities, high biodiversity and vast geography, higher historical and cultural diversity, internationally recognized standards for tourism services, use of English language, and developing digital payment systems. Weakness. Lack of proper infrastructure in all tourism sites. Lack of better national policies or strategies for tourism developments. Lack of safety and security measures. Lack of private, local participation in tourism planning. Existing negative image or misconception about nation by foreigners. Lack of established tourism brand image. Lack of tourism niche products development and marketing. Less supports for entrepreneurial activities. And poor maintenance systems for monuments or other heritages. Opportunities. New markets, new tourism players and new products. International recognitions and better inbound and outbound travel policies. Positive privatization and foreign direct investment policies. Technological advancements, connectivity and smartphone or digitalization trends. And scope on medical tourism, MICE, FITS etc. Threats. High competitions. Environmental and socio-cultural degradation. Economic crisis. Political instability or wars. Economic leakages. Internal conflicts and politically biased tensions. Corruption. And volatile demands, like the sudden demand fluctuations due to natural calamities, epidemics etc. These 4 phases can be classified as internal, external, helpful, and harmful. Strengths and weakness are internal normally. Opportunities and threats are external in nature. Strengths and opportunities are helpful factors. Weakness and threats are harmful factors. But the planner have to take all phases in a positive way. Subscribe the channel for more updates, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.